This brand is from Shark Ninja and features 3-stage air purifiers that are backed by a good warranty that includes a 60-day money-back guarantee. The units feature their CleanSense IQ air quality sensors that can control the 4-speed fan based on the quality of the air entering the unit, and it also provides a ring light with a number that indicates the room's current air quality. The HP 102 model can clean an area of up to 500 square feet, while the HC 452 model is a 3-in-1 unit that can provide purified heat, purified fan, or air purifier operation. The HP 202 model can clean areas of up to 1,200 square feet, while the HP 302 model can clean areas of up to 1,400 square feet and includes their never-change filtration, which extends the life of the HEPA filter to up to 5 years, which can save a lot on the cost of replacement filters. The units can be purchased through their website or Amazon store. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.